So I've got my wireless headphones here. Now these were gifted to me so I could go ahead and show you everything that does come with. So we do have a charging cord here, Type C, and it also comes with an auxiliary cord. So if you didn't want to use it for Bluetooth, you could hook it up actually directly through this port right here. Now these do have a runtime of 78 hours. You'll see here this is similar to most headphones. It's got left and right, just tell you what side you're going to put it on. Also, these are adjustable. Real easy to go ahead and slide those up, and it's got a little cushion right here at the top. And they fit comfortable on my head. I just wanted to kind of show you what they look like all the way around. They cover my ear really well. It's keeping out all the outside noise, especially with the active noise cancellation. You'll see right here we've got ANC, so you can go ahead and cancel out any of that excessive noise. I especially like that when I'm on an airplane. I like to turn that on so I don't hear the sound of the jet and the other people that are around me. The controls are easy to use. We've got our power button, plus and minus, or you can adjust the volume or advance or go backwards on tracks. And then this one right here would be active noise cancellation to go ahead and cancel any background noise. These are foldable, so you can swivel those. And what's good about this too, it does have voice prompts so that when you turn it on, you can hear it give you some voice prompts telling you what to do.
Power on.
So when you turn on, it gives you voice prompts.
ANC mode.
And also active noise cancellation lets you know whether it's on or off without having to take these off of your head. I did like that I could hear the bass really well. I mean, I really like that. And also the mid-range and the treble. They sounded very good. I was really surprised that a lot of sound came from these headphones. But I enjoyed these. I was wearing these the other day and just listening to music, just kind of jamming out. And I do find it comfortable with the cushion around the ears and here up at the top. Hope you found this review helpful.